Royal family, how is everyone doing? Hope you guys had a great 4th of July and that you were safe with your loved ones and did plenty of eating. All right, today this video is going to be simple. I don't know if you guys know, it is extremely hot here in Texas, so I decided to do some freeze pops. I almost say pretty healthy freeze pops so we can kind of cool off here in Texas. But anyway, let's get started. So the freeze pops I'm going to do are going to be pineapple and they're going to be strawberries. We're going to need just a tablespoon of sugar. We're going to need water, and we're going to need a half of a lemon. And also, let me show you the freeze pops I got that are pretty cool. I got these at Walmart. They're shaped kind of like watermelons, which I thought would be pretty cool. And I think I paid like $5 or $6 for them. So what we're going to do is blend up the fruit. Of course, we're going to add the lemon juice to the water. Then we're going to blend it up and pour them in these. And we're going to have some delicious freeze pops. So what I want you to do, whatever freeze pop containers that you have, wash them off and put them in the freezer. So by the time we blend up our fruit, it can be cold, so where it'll freeze nicely. All right, we're going to blend these up and I'll come back. All right, Royal family, I've left the Cool Pop containers in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And if you're like me, when I cut up fruit, I just usually cut it in half when I'm freezing it. So my strawberries were a little big, so I just cut them into, I kind of diced them. And what I did with the water, here is the water, which is 1 cup, the sugar, and 1/3 of a lemon. 1/2 would be too much because of the acidity, so I only use 1/3 of the lemon and to get the juice out of it. So this is what I did. Now since I have this small blender here, I'm probably going to have to do it in 2s, but if you have that, you know, that dynamite blender, you can do it in 1. All right, so I'm going to use half of the lemon water, but again, you don't have to do this if you have one of those Ninja blenders. And we're just going to blend it up. All right, so I did half of the water to the fruit and we're going to blend it up, and I'm not going to keep you on while I'm blending it, so I'll be right back. Okay, here it is blended, and that pineapple and strawberry is such a great combination. If you like pineapples and you like strawberries, please use this combination. So let me show you. And I'm going to pour it into the containers, and then I'll come back and do the other batch. All right, I filled the containers. Fill them up as far as they can go so you can make sure that the stick sticks to the mixture. And also, please remember, when I'm doing a recipe, I'm sorry you guys, a recipe, please check down in the description box, because what happens as I'm telling you guys about this recipe, and once I'm doing it, then there are some things that I either leave out or I add on. Like this right here, I said a cup of water. I realized we only need a half a cup of water. So please check the description box below before you start any of my recipes. And always remember, what I call season, you might not call season. I will just give you the basics. If you want to add more garlic powder, more onion powder, I'm just telling you the seasonings that I use and the amount that I like. But it can always be upgraded to your liking. Just wanted to make sure I get that out there, because I do not intend to give you guys any bad recipes. If they're bad, I won't even post it. All right, so let's just stick our sticks in it. And if you can, freeze it overnight. If not, I'm going to say about 8 hours. But I will say, if you like pineapples and strawberries, please try this combination or use the fruit you like. So when I come back, I will show you the final presentation and product of our our fruit pops. All right, you guys, I've had a long week. Still a little sleepy, I know. It's kind of late, but I went to bed pretty late. All right, see you guys in a bit.